Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Beautiful views here in Mogán in Gran Canaria. This is a beautiful, beautiful little village. It's amazing looking, isn't it, guys? Absolutely amazing. Yeah, so it's only a small little beach town, this part of Mogán. There's the Instagram spot. Get all your photographs. Mogán. I know it's our focal point here looking at that beach, but I can't help looking at the terrain behind it there. Look at it, the mountains. How cool is that? It's pretty hot here today. Very, very hot. It's about about 12ish, about midday, half 12 I think. And it's I think it's saying what, 31 degrees? Hope I'm right there, but it definitely feels like that anyway. It's amazing.
Es una porquería, pero no te cubren, pero no. Yo lo digo.
So it's cool, right? You got a beach just right there, and then you got all these bars and restaurants, steakhouses, just right next to the beach. How good is that? They're pretty busy as well, so Mexican there, pizzeria. Plenty of water sports. See the paragliders out there. Nice yacht. You got your souvenir shops. That looks like a cocktail bar there. Maybe that opens a little later. So it looks like, by the way, that this part of the beach here, everybody sort of has their own sort of setup and that, their own towels and chairs and shade sails and stuff like that. We're over there, it's all lined up with sunbeds. I can't imagine they're free to use, guys. I'd say that's paid, you need to pay for them. So just in that part of the screen there, I just turn my screen on, just over here. Looks like there's public toilets over there. So just at the top end of the beach. So this shop here, Fun Grub, they're all over the island, all over the Canary Islands. They're pretty popular for duty free. These things here, guys, what I'm looking at. Does anybody know what they are?
Hai să stăm jos să bem o cafea. Sahara. Sahara.
Thank you. Look at this little area here. It's so old, sort of Spanishy, old town, coastal look, isn't it? Just sort of all built at the end of that amazing looking terrain there. They would have carved all that out many years ago just to build on that. These trees here are pretty cool. Look at the way they're designed. It's like as if they're designed to create just a massive shade underneath it. So cool. It's a lovely spot. It really is a lovely spot. I'd say in its day it was just a big sort of like fishing sort of sleepy Spanish town in the southern part of Gran Canaria here. But it really is amazing. I'm pretty sure there is tourists that sort of go around there. Right guys, that's that little sleepy part of Mogán for you, Porto Mogán, if you're going to put it on a sat nav or a Google map or something like that. Porto Mogán. Alright? Alright guys, until next time, adios, peace out.